Stop rolling the screen. A new tax law in the US has just been passed and can free up extra cash in your pocket right now. This law targets important tax exemptions on home offices, retirement contributions, educational credits, and you can save thousands without even knowing. In the next few minutes, I'll explain exactly what has changed, how it affects your wallet, and how you can claim your share today. Let's go. Here are the news. Extended deduction for home office, even for small spaces. Higher contribution limits in IRAs and 401s. Improved educational credits, increased credit for lifelong learning. According to CFP board-certified planners, middle-income Americans can save between $1,500 and $5,000 annually using these breaks. But here's the problem. Most Americans still pay full taxes, with no idea that relief exists. Imagine earning $300 more per month for bills, investments, or even a dream vacation. See how to act right now? Maximize your contributions to the IRA before April. This single measure can substantially reduce your taxable income. Declare the deduction from home office using IRS publication 587. Even an area of 9 square meters qualifies. Apply for lifetime learning credit up to $2,000 per student, even for online courses. As a senior accountant told me, most taxpayers don't get these credits simply because they don't know they exist. Leave a comment. Are you already using these tips? If not, what is stopping you? Let's meet Sarah, a teacher from Ohio. Before using these tax strategies, she paid $5,000 in taxes. After optimization, she saved $3,200. That's $3,200 back in her pocket. No extra income, just smarter moves. Curious about a bonus trick that very few Americans are using, but which can further increase your refund? Wait, I will reveal soon. Here it is. A qualified charity distribution directly from your IRA, tax-free, and counting for the mandatory minimum distributions. It's a powerful move if you're over 70 and a half. If you found this useful, share with someone who needs it. Your like is written on the channel and active bell. For practical advice every week, ring the bell so you never miss. In the description, I left links of tools which will help you take the next step in your financial journey.